Okay, so today I'm gonna be making lobster ramen. My brother actually caught these and there was a couple extra in the fridge, and he had made this for us a long time ago and it was so good. But the broth is already made. I'm not gonna show you how to make it. This is just kind of like a hangout with me because 2025, new year, new vlogs. It's not a how to make it, but it's just gonna be hanging out because I want to do more of these kind of videos for 2025. I'm just gonna make a soup because I'm also not feeling oh so well. And I just want something warm to like warm my body up. This is what we're gonna make. And I wanted to get better at doing videos, and what's the only way to get better if you're not just like doing it and posting it and just like being consistent? Because is that one of the goals? That's one of the goals. Okay. So I ended up putting garlic, butter, a little bit of Old Bay, and white pepper, and salt, obviously. Probably gonna turn out fine. This is actually the worst lighting. I'm like trying to explain to you that these mushrooms and this fresh noodles are gonna be put into the ramen, and also I don't know how to actually cook these, so we're just gonna fry them up on the stove, but put a little bit of garlic, minced things in there, and you know. So now I'm gonna boil my egg, and what I did here was that the perfect boiled egg on the inside would be 6 minutes and 9 seconds. So let's see if that theory is... I don't know if I cracked it. I kind of cracked it when I put it in there because I didn't want to get my fingers burned. Let's see if this works. I have no idea. Also, I didn't even press the timer on time, so knock off like 9 seconds. I don't know. That's looking so good so far. Doesn't have an expiration date on the mushrooms, and I'm not really sure. The smell is not bad, but not great. Like, I have no clue if these are good, but it's like growing white stuff on them. Well, like white, but it looks like the mushroom, so I don't sound great. I don't know if you could like see it. Can't really see it. I'm gonna check when those mushrooms are supposed to be done. This is actually getting so hectic to actually cook. I'm cooking those mushrooms now. They came out way too salty. I put too much soy sauce and no, it's too much fish sauce. The broth that I had into the fridge, I'm just like heating it up now. And then I gotta do my mushrooms. I mean, then I gotta do my spaghetti, my noodles, my ramen. My God. Okay, this actually looks so good. This is the ramen that I created. The soft-boiled eggs, that totally did work. I'm gonna try this little baby. Put a little bit of lobster, a little bit of broth, and some noodles. Whew. Okay, only thing, it's super hot. So much good broth, but honestly, I did it a little bit too salty, I think. Overall, it's so yummy. I think I'm just gonna add like a little bit of water to see if it kind of like... And I'm a salty girl, so that's weird. But overall, it's good. I like it. I'm glad I did this. This is like me being alone here at the house, and I love cooking. But I also love cooking alone and like when nobody's here. And this is like the only time I can because everybody's just like out of the house. The shortest, quickest video. Love, 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 love. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.